Beijing residents are wheezing their way through yet another day as smog continues to blanket the city. Environmental authorities issued a red alert for pollution from last Friday to Wednesday in over 20 northern cities. The smog has affected about 1/9 of China's total land area. The Central Meteorological Observation warns that Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei, Shanxi, and Shanxi will experience severe haze. Vehicle use restrictions, construction site closures, measures to reduce factory emissions, and also class cancellations at kindergartens and primary schools have been announced. The Ministry of Environmental Protection has dispatched 13 inspection teams to 6 provinces and municipalities to supervise the implementation of contingency plans. The teams will monitor the effectiveness of the various measures.